Assalamu alaikum everyone, what is up guys? Hope all of you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today we are going to learn to construct of a triangle. Here we are given with the perimeter of the triangle and two angles of the triangle. So let us move forward. As you can see here P, which is the perimeter of the triangle, whereas X and Y are two angles of the triangle. We need to construct the triangle. So step 1, first of all, we take an line segment MN, and from MN, by taking the measure of P with compass, okay, set the pointer at point M and swing an arc. So let the name of the point be MQ, and we consider or we cut MQ by taking equal measure of the perimeter P. Now look, among the three given data we have already used P, the perimeter. Now we have two more data to use. One is the angle X and another is the angle Y. So all that we can do, we can construct two angles X and Y at two ends of M and Q. Okay, so let us move forward to that. So first of all, if I move with angle X, so swing an arc with any measure, any convenient measure, whatever the measure, that doesn't matter. So as you can see, I'm swinging an arc. Look, I've swung an arc, and with the same compass setting, don't change your compass setting please, with the same compass setting, put it at point M, swing an arc. Now all we need to do, we need to take the measure of the angle, and this is the way to take the measure of the angle from here up to this. Okay, there the measure of the angle is taken, as you can see. Now without changing the compass setting, we place it here and complete the angle. So let us name the angle as whatever the name is, QMR or whatever it is. If I complete the angle, so this is going to be, as you can see, if I name it, I'm gonna name it QMS. And I construct QMS by taking equal measure of angle X. This is our X. Now we do the same thing at point Q. I'm gonna name it Y. Okay, so let us do it in the similar manner. The way to copy an angle, we swing an arc here. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, as you can see, I've swung an arc, and with the same measure, without changing the compass setting, place it point Q, and swing an arc. Now what we need to do, we need to take the measure of angle Y. So this is the procedure of taking the measure of angle Y. Okay, there it is, as you can see. Sorry, it's gonna be a bit of shaky. There it is. So if I complete this angle and name this angle, it's a bit of whack, doesn't matter. I name this angle as MQT. Now look, among all the given data, we have used everything. Now what? Now the thing that I need to do, we need to bisect these triangles. First of all X and then Q, then Y. Okay. Okay, so let us bisect it. So with any convenient measure, at the two end of the angle measure, we swing two arcs on the same side of the angle, as you can see, like this. Arc 1 and arc 2. This is my arc 2. And we repeat the same procedure for angle Y. So let us do that. That is it. Now we need to continue drawing the bisector. So I'm gonna construct the bisector with green color. So far, as you can see, suppose the name of this bisector is MW, and name of this bisector is QZ. I name them MW and QZ, and if they intersect each other at point A, as you can see, they intersect each other at point A. Now look here, if you think about this angle, this is half of x since MW is the bisector. Similarly, this is half of y since QZ is the bisector of y. Now all we need to do, we're going to draw half of x on the line segment MA. So okay, let us move. So for drawing half of x, we need to take this measure. Oh, the measure is already here as I haven't changed it. So look how to draw it. You get confused of drawing this one. Place it at point A. As far as you're drawing on the line segment A, so far this is gonna be like this. Right? Now half of x, right? In this case, we are not taking the whole measure. Rather, we'll take up to this. Since this is half of x, this is half of x. So far, to complete the angle, that is it. We have completed the angle. Okay. So if we construct that on with some other color, suppose with the green color, with the blue color. So as you can see, the angle gonna be completed. There's the completion of the angle, as you can see. And if I name this point at, suppose, B. So look, this part, as you can see, this part is half of x. Similarly, this part is half of x as well. Now we repeat the same procedure for half of y on the line segment QA. So okay, let us move forward to do that. So for half of y, again we take the measure of y first. That means take the arc. Okay, there is the arc, as you can see, it matches. Now at point A, right? By placing at point A, we're seeing an arc. This is the black one. Now we need to take the measure of half of y. So here the half of y is very well, as you can see, this is half of y. Okay, now with this one, we'll place it here and complete the arc. Now again, we're going to join, or we're going to complete the angle. So if we're going to complete the angle, as you can see, this is going to intersect MQ at point C. Therefore, triangle ABC is our required triangle. Triangle ABC is our required triangle. Now, you may have a question that we are drawing with half of x, then how this could be the required triangle? Now look, we know that in a triangle, the exterior angle will be equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So if we look at here, look here. If we look at this angle in triangle ABM, this angle is half of x. Similarly, this angle is half of x. Half of x plus half of x, they are two opposite interior of this angle, of this exterior angle. So this angle will be equal to half of x plus half of x is equals to x, which is our given angle. Similarly, if we think about triangle ACQ, where the exterior angle is ACB, here, look, this part, this is half of y. Similarly, this part is half of y. So half of y plus half of y, which is equal to the exterior angles, which is half of y plus half of y, makes it y. Now the next part is the perimeter, how the perimeter come. Look, perimeter is equals to what? Perimeter is equals to AB plus BC plus AC. Now look at the triangle ABM. I repeat, in triangle ABM, this angle and these angles are equal. Therefore, MB will be equal to AB. Similarly, in the triangle ACQ, half of y is equals to half of y. Therefore, AC is equal to CQ since they are isosceles triangle. So far, look in the figure, what you can write? P, that is perimeter, is equals to MB plus BC plus CQ. Right? As far as we cut, MQ is equals to P. Now, the thing that we can do, look here, MB is equals to what? AB. So if we replace MB by AB, then we're going to get AB plus BC. Again, AC is equals to what? CQ. So instead of CQ, we can write down AC. Therefore, look, AB plus BC plus AC, they are ultimately equal to what? They are ultimately equal to the perimeter P. I hope this video is fruitful for you. If this video is fruitful for you, then please be with me for the next video. And please keep me in your prayer. Inshallah, I'm coming up with some other video as well. Till then, stay safe, stay sound, and keep me in your prayer. Allah Hafiz.